Yes, there are still traditional ways and cultures sometimes which bound to keep a certain, boundary for
Hmm.
both the genders, right? Like first we used to think that chefs can only be men
Hmm.
or women, right? But
Yeah.
now it is interchanged. Now it is not a personal thing at all that we have
Hmm.
to limit ourselves anywhere,
Hmm.
right? So as you said, there are no gender specific jobs, so it is correct. So whenever we apply, so you can see the categories as well, right?
Hmm.
So what do you want to talk about those?
So category in the sense like every job has some kind of requirement. Okay, requirement in
Correct.
the sense some every job requires some kind of skill set. Okay,
Hmm.
so if you have that skill set, you will be able to crack that job. So make sure you build that skill set before applying to that job. Okay,
Absolutely.
and
Hmm.
people are like for people are facing a lot of problems in today generation, like people are lacking in skill set. And
Mm-hmm.
make sure I will recommend all the audience who are watching this video to build that skill set. Okay, before COVID we have especially we have offline interviews,
Hmm.
but after COVID we have like more to the online, like
Hmm.
everything is online. Like world is a full of opportunities. If you have
Yes.
a skills, you are definitely able to get a job in like dream company while sitting at your home, and if you have
Correct.
that correct skill set as per your job requirement.
Absolutely. And I think that it is quite feasible for people
Hmm.
nowadays that even if you're working in a software company, education company, or anything, it's just that you need that particular skills to be upgraded. You can do diploma or certification, related to that particular field. And of course, you can earn the same money while sitting at home, right? Especially for those
Absolutely,
who are
ma'am.
housewives or
Yeah.
maybe disabled people,
Hmm.
right? People suffering with some disability. So it's quite
Hmm.
convenient for them to sit at home and work. So now I
Absolutely,
think
ma'am.
that the world is
Ma'am,
really changing.
one more point to in addition to that, and actually sorry
Yes,
to interrupt in between.
of
So
course you.
the more the skills you have, the more the rewards you will get. So
Hmm.
I is my observation. I also observe the same thing. Like the people who have more the skills, they get a lot of rewards and they enjoy the beautiful
Hmm.
life. And
Correct.
like if you learn one skill set, it will like stay for lifelong. It's
Of
nothing.
course.
There is an
Mhm.
expiration date, right? So
There is
if
no
you this
expiration.
just
Yes.
yeah, even if you at what age if you learn any skill, it will helpful for the future complete like till the
Yes.
time you are there.
Absolutely. And I think that is the best part because if you see nowadays that there are lots of certificate courses and which are
Hmm.
quite convenient rates, like
Hmm.
easily you can just go online without going to college or school. You just do
Hmm.
it from the comfort of your house and it is affiliated throughout the world. So
Hmm.
there's no kind of limitation that you can just do in these particular states, right? So
Yeah.
it's an added benefit you can say. So, talking about a curiosity questions, like what do you think that you are best at? Best. Which skill are you best at?
I'm best at problem solving skills and
Okay,
decision making skills.
that's really good.
Okay,
Mhm.
so these are the skills I learned from like problem solving skills I learned from
Hmm.
myself while like solving a lot of problems in the software field. And apart from that, decision making skills I got to learn from a senior management. Okay, so let's say if there is a specific job, like let's say requirement of that task, right? So
Mm-hmm.
make sure you meet that requirement, and if you go behind that requirement, you have to like raise that concern to the top management. So decision making
Yes.
skills.
Yes, it's a very important task or topic, you can say, especially in public speaking, because lots of people need to work on the reasoning skills or critical
Hmm.
thinking, right? So there is where we need to work and give them a push. So what you're doing is right. So if you're good at that, then that's an advantage for you, right?
Yep.
And it's
Yeah.
your potential strength. So, can you tell me any skills that you possess apart from maybe your working skills? You have already told me that you're good at these
Hmm.
things. So, any sport that you are interested in and you work out a lot? Do you work out? Do you have any
Yeah.
sport?
Yeah.
Yes.
I do the exercise like every day, every single day to maintain healthy lifestyle. And apart from that, I love dancing as well. Okay, I
Okay.
will
Wow, that's great.
consider.
Hmm.
I love dancing as well. So there is an upcoming festival in Maharashtra, Ganesh
Okay.
Chaturthi.
Oh
So
yes.
so
Hmm.
streets are full of like
Especially in
events.
Mumbai,
Yeah, Mumbai,
Lal
especially
Bagh
in
Raj.
Mumbai.
Yes.
Yeah, Lal Bagh Raja and Mumbai Raja. These are the famous pandals. I love enjoying that, and also there is especially the like friends' marriage, especially the
Hmm.
Bharat, and it will be like completely different.
So I think that you totally like, you can say, shenanigans. You know, there is a
Yeah,
word shenanigans. So you definitely apply it in your life, you can say, right?
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
yes, that's really good. So I feel that you have a character of being very jovial,
Hmm.
right? Like
Yeah.
yes. So it's very important, you know, especially in the corporate sectors where it's 9 to 5, you're working in front
Hmm.
of your laptop or desktop, and then suddenly you have a different character outside which needs a push, you know, to
Yeah.
become more and more jovial. You have to be like that. So if you could master any one skill this year, for example, apart from academics, say, so what it would be?
So apart from academics, I would more concentrated on the soft skills.
Okay.
Okay, I already mentioned like 60%
Yes.
I achieved that,
Yes.
and I'm
Apart from
thinking
soft skills. Yes. Like, have
apart
you ever
from soft.
cooked?
No, I have not cooked. So when I cook something, right, I will not eat that entire day. So I have
Okay.
that kind of bad habit. So because of that, I am not into that cooking
So,
part.
what did you cook and you didn't eat?
So I cook non-veg, okay, and
Hmm.
I didn't eat entire day, like for next few weeks actually,
Oh my God. It
because
was that bad.
well, no, it was good actually. While cooking, like everything was like in my mind, like every smell was going in with my nose
Yes. So
and
it
nose.
is
It was
said, like, when you cook,
yeah,
half of your food goes into you through your eyes, right? You
yeah,
eat with
yeah,
your eyes. So you did that literally.
yeah. So
Okay.
it was really bad as well. Like, and I also pissed off on that day, and
Hmm.
I like that no one ate that food at that
Hmm.
day. It was a complete waste. Then I have not tried again.
So what about your family? Did they taste it?
No, they taste once food, and after that,
They never
proactively,
recommended
I,
you to cook.
I proactively said like I don't cook
Okay.
in future. Okay.
Okay.
They
But
are
I
also
think that
said,
that is the skill that you need to master now,
yeah,
right?
I
That is
will
the cat.
definitely want.
Yes, so that is the category you need to master. Okay, so
Yeah.
as we are talking about this skills, so people who will be watching your video or maybe talking to you about skills, so what kind of skills would you recommend them? What are the basic skills that they should have?
So first thing they should have the communication skills, good
Hmm.
communication skills. At least you are able to articulate your thoughts in a very
Hmm.
simple manner, so that
Correct.
other person will be able to understand. These are the basic requirement like getting a job or anything. Okay, and after that, if you are moving
Hmm.
into any technical part, so make sure like depends on the domain that you are more into. Like make sure you build that skill set for specific to that domain. Okay, and so if you have that skills, like I
Hmm.
already mentioned, like it's a lifelong benefit for you.
Yes, of
Okay,
course. Yes.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and apart from that, there is a lot of skills you can learn. You can be more on the social media, and you can
Hmm.
enjoy your life as well. Like you can showcase that same enjoyment to the other people. From there you can
They
earn
can learn a
money, and
lot. Yes.
they can learn, they can earn. Like learn equal to earn. Like remove L from
Motivate.
there. Yeah, motivate you
Absolutely
can.
correct. So you're right. So enjoying your life is very important, whether it is
Yeah.
by learning skills or whether it is by teaching it, right?
Hmm.
So you're trying to
Yeah.
pass it to someone. So can you tell me, can you also tell your audience that how they can master their skill, whatever they already have, how they can
Hmm.
keep improving it, how they can improve their skills, what they already have?
So practice makes him more perfect. So
Yes.
practice makes man's perfect. So
Hmm.
so if you have that skill, right, make sure if you are lacking in somewhere in that skill, make sure you practice that and
Yes.
build that confidence. Like other person gives some kind of task to you, you will definitely say like I'm 200% confidence of solving that problem. So you
Yes.
have to build that kind of mentality on that skill. Okay,
Absolutely. Hmm.
so the other person will like confident enough that I have assigned this task to you, you will be able to complete that task and you will be able to deliver within the timeline.
Correct, absolutely, and I agree with that too. So practice makes man perfect. That is something that we've been following lifelong, and I think we have to keep this as a set skill. So we have to acquire, we have to
Hmm.
master, we have to improve. So these
Hmm.
are like AMI of your
Hmm.
skills, right?
Yeah.
So other than that, achievement and talent.
Hmm.
What is the difference between these two, achievement and talent?
Like achievement in the terms, like in the terms we have set some kind of goals, like especially every person have some kind of set their goals for their
Yes.
life.
Mm-hmm.
So if you achieve that, let's say goal, then it will be like achievement,
Yes. Mm-hmm.
right? And
Correct.
if you have mentioned other thing as well, which one?
Talent.
Talent.
Talent. Yes. What is a talent?
Talent talent in the sense, like I would believe like the skills you have, and
Hmm.
if you use it in a proper way, okay, in a
Yes.
productive manner, and if you earn money from that, and like money, and you will consider a lot of things, it's called
Yes.
as a talent, in
Talent.
my
Yes.
opinion.
Absolutely, and I think I agree. I couldn't agree more with it because I know that talent is something that every person has. It is just that you need to know it, right?
Hmm.
So if I'm
Yeah.
good at baking, for example, but until I don't try, I won't
Hmm.
experiment it. I won't know that I have that
Hmm.
skill. So every
Yeah.
person has to experiment, try, and then implement it. That is what I think, right? So
Yep,
as
ma'am.
we come to the yes, as we conclude this session today, so before that, I want to know your thoughts, the lasting thoughts about skills. How would you conclude it?
Ma'am, so even if I repeat same thing, people get bored.
Hmm.
Actually, I mentioned so many times, like it's a lifelong learning.
Yes, so
It's
that's
every
your
like
like a tagline. What caption would you give this skills?
so in my channel also, my channel name is Learn from X, where you can learn lot of things from lot of people, and
Hmm.
the tagline is Explore Learning. Okay, it's a
That's a good
lifelong,
one. Hmm.
yeah, it's a
So
lifelong
learning,
learning.
correct. So as you said that explore learning, so exploration never ends. We
Yep.
keep on exploring throughout our life, right? So
Yep.
also now, so as I was listening to you intently throughout, so yes, of course, there is a particular word that is like. Okay, so
Yeah.
you will have
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
replace the word like with certain transition words like therefore, however, So try to use those words because when you transition
Hmm.
from one event to other, you have to use those words. And secondly, I feel that yes, of course, tenses that you talked about.
Hmm.
So more of listening skills only will improve your tenses, like
Hmm.
listening to stories, podcasts, TED
Hmm.
talks.
Hmm.
So the more you listen, the more you will implement in your life.
Yep.
So yes, so other than that, I can see that you're a very enthusiastic speaker and you had the smile throughout, which is an
Thank you.
added advantage. Yes, we will work on your voice modulation too, which will definitely create you as a good orator. And yes, expressive, I think you are already an expressive person, but there are some tangents that we need to get to,
Hmm.
right?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
yes, so we will be doing that. But it
Sure.
was really nice meeting you today, and I hope that you become more successful in your channel and your skills, and try to provide more access to people through your talent. Okay.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for the compliments, and it means a lot to me. My name is Prashant. I hail
Hmm.
from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I'm working in the corporate world, and apart from that, I'm a part-time content creator. That's
Okay.
a little bit about myself.
Okay. So, what kind of content creation do you do? Do you have a channel?
Yeah, actually, I have my channel where I'm right now. I'm more focused on soft skills.
Hmm. Okay,
Yeah.
that's great. So, can you tell me a bit more about what are your further interests apart from your academics or maybe your workplace? Anything extra that you do?
Ma'am, running a YouTube also will take you a lot of creativity out of your mind. So I'm running a YouTube, so I'm more be more creative on that channel. I'm doing a lot of experiments and on that, and
Okay.
also I'm enhancing my communication skills. Also, I'm doing this extra thing apart from my academics and everything else.
That's great. I think nowadays there are lots of YouTubers and most of the learners they have their channel, and I think that they are doing great with that. How many followers do you have?
So 6 months back only I started, so I gained almost 1300 subscribers, and
But it's
I'm
still
going
good, I
good.
guess, because
Yeah.
to get in 6 months also it takes a lot of effort. So you work also and you run a channel as well,
So
correct?
it's a side hustle right now. Yeah, I'm working as
Side
a
hustle.
full time in one.
Yes, you need a hustle in life to gain something, right? Yes.
Absolutely,
So,
ma'am.
so how many sessions have you taken so far with English Yari?
So I believe it's a fourth session right now
Okay,
with
so
English
it's quite
Yari.
early, like in the early stage, all right? So can you tell me
Absolutely.
what are you struggling with? So what is your struggle when in terms of communication?
So, ma'am, so I had a session with the English Yari. So, a lot of tutors have shared some feedback with me regarding grammar,
Hmm.
grammar mistakes, and pronouncing some words. Okay, I also realized same thing while before joining the platform. I also realized same thing. I'm
Okay.
working towards that, and
Hmm.
also I would like to engage more with a lot of tutors on the
Yes.
platform, and
Mm-hmm.
so based on that I will also improve my soft skills.
Excellent. So, of course, listening skills is something that can help you to gauge a lot of things from the other person, right? Like, especially you're talking about the soft skills. So, problem solving method and communication, interpersonal skills can be developed just by listening skills as well. So, yes, so great. So, this is my first session with you. So, I'll just introduce myself and then we can start our session. So I am Rashmi and I hail from Maharashtra too. And
Okay.
I've, yes, so I've been working from 8 to 9 years now in this particular field. And prior to that, I was working in software for a year or two as a fresher, but then I switched on to aviation and then now I am in educational field since I have a master's degree in English literature and I'm also a TEFL certified teacher. So
Okay.
I've been teaching internationally to students for business English and creative writing and public speaking. So that's my forte. Yeah,
Got it, ma'am. So actually, we have a lot of similar things. Actually, I have mentioned I am working in the corporate, right? I am working as a senior software engineer over there with more than 9+ years of experience.
correct.
Okay, and I also hail from Mumbai. You are from Maharashtra as well.
Yes, so
And
lots of similarities are there.
yeah.
Correct. So it's good to know about you as well. And since you're working in the corporate sector, so how do you take time to, just follow what you like? Like do you ever get like a leisure time to spend for yourself?
Ma'am, I get a lot of leisure time, especially. Okay, as a
Hmm.
software engineer, I have weekends off, and if
Okay,
some weekends off, every Saturday, Sunday is off. So,
that's
like,
really good.
and, and apart from that, like, if public holiday on like Friday or Monday, it will be like completely different. Like, it's a mini vacation, like 3 days holiday.
Yes, that's really
And
lovely.
let's say, and if
Mhm.
it's a if the holiday comes on Thursday, let's say, and if I
Hmm.
take that personal leave on Friday, then it's like a
Yes.
4 day holiday.
Excellent. So I think that is the great thing about corporate sector that at least you get Saturday and Sunday off, and you also
Yeah,
have an exception to work from home, right?
yeah,
So that's really great. So I wish that it would have been applied to lots of different sectors as well, especially educational field because we have to work sometimes on Sundays as well, right?
yeah,
So
yeah.
So, as we're talking about skills, so uh, what do you think is a special skill in you which you naturally have, and what is another skill that you have potentially developed?
So, ma'am, so actually, I don't have any skills personally. Like
Hmm.
natural skill, have like that smiling face, and
Yes, I
apart from
can. I
that,
was going to compliment you for that because I like people who smile while speaking because that's a very important aspect of public speaking. So great.
absolutely, ma'am.
Continue.
And
Yes.
apart from that skill, and I have leveraged a lot of skills. Like especially, I'm in the software field. I got to learn a lot of things every single day.
Mm-hmm.
Like I'm enhancing my technical skills, like learning a different language, like
Yes.
JavaScript, PHP, Python, and there are plenty of languages we have to upgrade ourselves to tackle in the like software field. Okay, and apart from that, right now I'm more focused on the soft skills as well.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the kind of skills that are there in my plate. Like
Mm.
technical skills, I would say like 70%, and soft skills, I would say like 60%.
Mm-hmm.
And so these kind of skills that I have, I would like to add more skills like public
Mm.
speaking, especially. Okay, so because I already gain a lot of experience to
Yes,
move level up in the career, I would be like become like good a public speaker.
correct. So, what aspects of public speaking do you think that you need to learn?
So especially like I already mentioned, like grammar mistakes, I would like to avoid that,
Okay.
and apart from that, like voice modulation, especially like
Yes, it's a very
like
important strategy to
yeah,
use in communication.
and
Yeah,
and also the emotional intelligence. Like I would like to that add that emotional touch while having a conversation with a lot of people,
exactly.
and
Like being more expressive with your
yeah,
skills. Mm-hmm.
yeah, and
So these are
and
the
I yeah, these are the skills I would like to add my future self.
Yes. So it's quite interesting to know that most of the people are taking interest in public speaking. So I've seen that they think that most of the people think or learners think that public speaking is just to communicate, but there's a lot more that goes in it, right? So do you
Yeah.
ever watch like TED Talk videos?
Yeah, I watch a lot of TED Talks videos and a lot of
Hmm.
especially YouTubers as well. Like I love
Hmm.
Nikhil Kamath podcast. Okay, where he
Yes.
bring the lot of like good authors on the conversation. I really enjoy watching him, especially.
Yes. So I think lots of YouTubers, they have developed themselves from being an introvert to extrovert because it really helps you to show yourself, what you
Hmm.
really are. You get it personified, and the interpersonal skill develop a lot.
Hmm.
So you might have seen that each and every one has a channel nowadays, but just because they know their audience well, they have equipped themselves to forte their skills in that
Hmm.
particular manner. Yes, so as we are talking about skills, so I want you to tell me some stereotypes, like certain, jobs which are there, which are meant only for men's, but now even women's can do that. For example, being a pilot. So first,
Hmm.
flying was radiated only
Hmm.
towards, men's, but now
Hmm.
even women's can fly. So can you give me some examples on that?
So right now, because of the internet era, so there I don't think so there is any kind specific gender specific jobs. Okay, so as per my knowledge, as per my research, and
Hmm.
I don't think so there is any job specific to gender, and like everyone is hundred
Flexible
percent
enough to do that.
flexible enough to do any kind of job. Like
Hmm.
previously, back in those days, like girls specially fear of software engineering.
Yes.
Okay, and but over there also a lot of girls are more excited to be a software engineer, and I don't think so like there is no
Like a
such job.
stereotype. Hmm.
Yeah.